you know, I've been speaking to Phil for a good 40 minutes before I actually realised, well, I didn't realise, he told me he was wearing a system. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah. So, did you know of hair systems before you started here?
I did. I just didn't realise, one, they were doing it in my town, and two, that they were so good, really.
So you've been a barber for how long?
24 years.
Pretty, pretty extensive, and you can't tell the difference between.
No.
It's incredible.
It is incredible. Just gonna, without any glue or anything, just basically visually have a little gander and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's looking good. Colours matching nice. Front's looking good, so yeah.
Hair prepared.
Hair prepared.
This is my second proper hair system now, so looking forward to working with it, because I know what to do now. I wouldn't call the first one an experiment, but figuring out what works for you is part of it, and sticking with it. So now I know what to do in terms of how to take it off, put it on, and how to maintain it. So I think I'll get the best use out of this one. So it's a good day today. Just making sure it's all lined up to mine.
All lined up.
I guess mine's a bit difficult because it's not difficult but different, as it's a front partial.
Yeah.
It's not as obvious as a full head.
Right, yeah, so system's all nice and trimmed now, got the head prepared, got a little bit of tape on there, haven't glued up yet, just going to double check. I always like to double check, triple check.
The good thing with these systems, I've heard other clients when I bought some here, or other people, feel systems are actually pretty good, and the laces, is pretty good. Have you seen some?
Oh, I've seen some really bad ones, really interesting ones. Let's use those words. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, shocking is probably what I would describe them as. And you know, these people are paying through the nose for, you know, through systems that just look, you can just tell they're really poor quality, you know. And not only that, you know, the colour match isn't as good, and you know, the matching of the lace isn't good, and that's the bits that matter, you know.
Yeah. So what do you prefer in terms of lace? I know
I prefer
lace, or what's the other one?
Poly. Yeah, like a poly skin. 100% I prefer lace. Yeah.
What's the main reason for that? It's just the natural.
Just the natural look it gives you at the front and all round, really. You know, you can literally, like, you know, go into a barber shop with one of these, and a barber will not have a clue that you are wearing a system, even if he starts running a comb through it, you know, or looking like at the, you know, the lace, through to the lace. It's only when you really, really look close you can kind of see the grid marks.
On the back of what Eric just said, I went into a barber shop in Liverpool because they told me that there's no way you'd be able to come in and we'd know who it is. So it was a lead. I wanted to go ahead, a barber. It was still a client. It was back in 2006. I walked in, said, can I have a haircut? Sat down, got you on cut. It's a little bit off. Just as he went to start, chatting to me, I said, you better stop, because that's a hair system.
Boom, boom, done.
True story.
Done like a kipper.
So I've never seen this, whatever you've got in your hands instrument.
Yeah, so basically it's a texturizer. So just gives it a less of a
straight.
yeah, less of a straight cut, which you don't really want.
Nice. Work in progress, looks like a Lego man at the moment. All finished?
All finished, done, dusted. All that was what? That took us what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
Haircut, not long at all.
Same.
Not long at all.
Yeah.
It's a lovely job. Really happy with that. Perfect.